Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer Toncoin from BitKit Wallet to BitKit Exchange. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you have to make sure that you do have a BitKit Exchange and BitKit Wallet, both two different applications. Once you have that, you're going to simply sign in with your wallet, and then you're going to go ahead and open up your BitKit Exchange first for you to simply get your Toncoin over here, and then to copy the address of it to get the Toncoin's address. Once you have done that, you're going to simply go ahead and get the address of your particular Toncoin. Once you have got the address and you have copied it, you're going to go ahead, go back to your BitKit Wallet app. You're going to open that app up, and you're going to go to the wallet section, tap on this option of withdrawal, and then you're gonna go ahead, put in the address of BitKit Exchange that you have just copied in the withdrawal section, where it will ask you to provide the address. You're gonna add in the amount, and then you're good to go. Once I provided the correct information, you will be able to confirm the transaction, and that is it. That's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.